My name is Daniel Ekvall and I work at Mölnlycke as a Global TMS Development Manager. Mölnlycke is a world-leading medical solution company, and we design and supply medical solutions that enhance the performance in the healthcare sector, so all the way from the hospitals to the home. Our focus is to bring and provide the most effective solution, offering better value for the money.
When we see that as all customer input to MercuryGate gives new development opportunities and new functionality that we of course will also roll out on our side, and we can see that small things that are developed could play a big part to make the process more efficient. And that's what we are looking for within our own transportation process, of course, to make it as efficient as possible for our users and all our carriers and all our warehouse partners that we have connected to the platform.